Today, I'll show you how to edit journal entries in Xero. Whether you're fixing a simple typo or correcting an amount that was posted to the wrong account, knowing how to properly edit a manual journal will help keep your books clean and accurate. We'll go through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Xero's website. Sign into your Xero account if you haven't already. Make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if you work with more than one business in Xero. Editing journals affects your financial reports, so you always want to double check you're in the right place before making any changes. Once you're logged in and in the right organization, look at the main navigation menu across the top of the screen. Find the tab labeled Accounting. This is where Xero groups most of the core financial functions, including reports, bank accounts, and of course, journals. Click on Accounting to open the drop-down menu. From the Accounting menu, select Manual Journals. This section shows all the manual journal entries that have been created in your organization. You'll see a list with details such as the date, description, status, and total. If you have a lot of entries, you can use filters or search to narrow down the list by date or description, which can save time when you're looking for a specific journal to edit. Now, locate the journal entry you want to change. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct one, checking the date, description, and total amount. When you're confident you've found the right journal, click on it to open the detailed view. This will show you each line of the journal, including the accounts, debits, credits, and any narration or references attached. With the journal open, look for the Journal Options drop-down. This is usually found near the top of the page, often on the right side. Click on that drop-down to reveal the available actions for this journal. You may see options like copy, void, or reverse, but for now, we're interested in editing. From the Journal Options menu, click Edit. This will switch the journal into an editable mode. At this point, you can adjust the information you need to change. That might be the date, the description, the account codes, or the amounts on the debit and credit lines. As you make changes, remember that your debits and credits still need to balance. If you update one side, make sure the other side is updated accordingly so the journal totals remain correct. Take your time reviewing each line, check that amounts are in the correct accounts, that tax settings match what you need, and that any notes or references clearly describe the purpose of the journal. Clear descriptions will help you and anyone else reviewing the books understand what was changed and why. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to save them by reposting the journal. Look for the Post button, usually located at the bottom or top of the journal screen. Click Post to confirm your changes. Xero will update the journal and your financial reports will reflect the corrected entry from this point on. And that's it. You've successfully edited a manual journal entry in Xero by navigating to the manual journals screen, opening the journal, using the Journal Options drop-down to enter edit mode, making your corrections, and then posting the updated entry.